Welcome to Kids Entertainment and Drawing.
Hello kids, welcome to my channel. I learn Kurt's name. Pink color, violet color, green color, and red color. I draw pumpkin. Let's draw together.
But I'll still keep the games we play with silly songs and happy feet. Every day feels bright and sweet. This little world is big to me. Let's find joy in what we see. Singing songs and counting stars. Dreams are never really far. Hey, oh, come along. Life's a soft and cheerful song. Every day, just wait and see. That's the joy of being me. I wake up with the sun in my eyes, smiling wide at the morning skies. Every bird and butterfly whisper secrets passing by. This little world is big to me, full of wonders, come and see. Hop and giggle, dance around, make believe on magic ground. Hey yo, let's explore new surprises at each door. I'm a dreamer, wild and free. That's the best of being me. Chalky roads and paper hats, sharing jokes with friends and cats, building castles in the sand, holding stories in my hand. This little world is big to me, full of wonders, come and see. Hop and giggle, dance around, make believe on magic ground. Hey yo, let's the games we play with silly songs and happy